Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to show you magic trick and giant bubbles. And what's this boring rope? Guys, look at this boring rope. Oh, maybe you can turn this into a magic rope. Oh, yeah. So we can use an Italian spell to make this a magic rope. So rope in Italian is corda. That must be the spell. Let's do it. Corda. Guys, now we're going to turn this rope into a rigid rope. Okay, make it straight. For a little longer. I'll do it with me. Wait until it's good. One and go. Oh my god, it's magic. Now we're going to turn it to regular rope. And we say rope. Rope! Worked. Oh my god. And now it's time for Bubble! And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe! Okay, let's get the bubbles. Get the bubbles! And now we're going to try the big bubbles with these big things, whatever it is called. And guys, bubble in Italian is bullet. Okay, guys, look. Look at these huge bubbles. Whoa! They're so cool. Hey guys, now we're going to make giant bubbles. Whoa. Hey guys, these sticks go really long. Guys, they literally go mega long. Look how long they go. Guys, long in Italian is lungo. Oh! Now I take it out. Whoa! Guys, now oh, I'm gonna put it small and get it big. And now I'm gonna make the biggest bubble I ever made. Guys, now I'm gonna make a bigger bubble. Oh, that would be this big bubble. I'm gonna need a lot of liquid for a big bubble. That was the biggest bubble. Guys, that was bigger than Robert's. Guys, the bubble has to be fat. This is better. Cool. That was bigger than Robert's. What do you mean? Guys, it was bigger bubble than Robert's. Look at that bubble. I need it. Flying. Yeehaw. bubble. Ah! What is my eye? And eyes in Italian is Aki. Yaki, not Aki. Oh, run! One. Time to beat lava, guys. Whoa.